Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to use AI to make $100 a day online. Now, I know what you're thinking. $100 a day from AI? That sounds too good to be true. And yeah, I get it. There's a lot of hype around AI right now, and it's easy to get lost in all the noise. But look, AI is a powerful tool. And just like any tool, it can be used to build incredible things. Or you can end up using a hammer to try and put in a screw. The key is understanding how to use it effectively. That's what we're going to break down today. We're talking about practical strategies you can use to leverage AI for real income. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes. This is about building sustainable income streams using the power of AI. So if you're ready to cut through the hype and see how AI can actually work for you, let's get started. First things first, we need to talk about the right AI tools for the job. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the options out there, but remember, not every AI tool is created equal. Some are great for generating creative content, while others excel at analyzing data or automating tasks. Think about it like this. You wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer in a nail, right? The same goes for AI. You need the right tool for the job. We're going to focus on AI tools that have a proven track record of helping people make money online. These are tools like ChatGPT for generating high-quality content, or DALL-E 2 for creating unique and eye-catching images. But finding the right tool is just the first step. You need to know how to actually use these tools effectively. That means understanding their strengths and limitations, and learning how to get the most out of their features. Don't worry, we'll cover all of that in detail throughout this video. Let's dive into one of the most exciting ways to use AI for income building: an AI-driven e-commerce store. Now, this might sound daunting, especially if you've never run an online business before. But trust me, with AI on your side, it's easier than you think. Imagine this. You have an online store that's practically running itself. AI handles everything from product descriptions and customer service to marketing and inventory management. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. You can use AI to find winning products, create compelling product listings that convert, and even automate your marketing efforts. Platforms like Shopify have integrated AI tools that make it incredibly easy to get started. You don't need to be a tech whiz or have any coding experience. It's all about leveraging the power of AI to streamline your business and maximize your profits. Content is king, right? You hear it everywhere, but creating high-quality content takes time, effort, and let's be honest, sometimes it feels like pulling teeth. Well, get ready for AI to become your new best friend. AI tools like ChatGPT are changing the game when it comes to content creation. We're talking about generating blog posts, articles, social media captions, even video scripts like this one, all in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. But it's not just about speed. AI can also help you create better content. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data to identify trending topics, understand what kind of content resonates with your target audience, and even tailor your writing style to match your brand. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online by promoting other people's products. But finding the right products, crafting compelling marketing campaigns, and tracking your results can feel like a full-time job. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. Imagine this. AI tools that can scan the internet for high-converting affiliate products, analyze their target audience, and even generate persuasive ad copy that's tailored to specific demographics. Sounds pretty sweet, right? And the best part? You can automate a lot of these tasks. Set up your AI tools to run in the background, finding you the best opportunities and managing your campaigns, while you focus on other aspects of your business. Okay, I know what you're thinking. AI and stock trading, that's risky business. And yeah, you're right. Investing in the stock market always comes with risks. But hear me out, because AI can actually help you make smarter investment decisions. AI-powered trading platforms can analyze massive amounts of market data in real time, identifying trends and patterns that humans might miss. This can help you make more informed trading decisions and potentially maximize your returns. But here's the key. AI should be used as a tool to supplement your investment strategy, not replace it entirely. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. See you next time. Look, the future of making money online is here, and it's powered by AI. But remember, AI is a tool. It's up to you to learn how to use it effectively. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these AI strategies today, and see how you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to achieve your financial goals. See you in the next video.